Perodua Myvi 2023. Install Convex TS18 9-inch Android GPS big screen player QLED screen. So this is Myvi 2018 to 2023 version. Normally the OEM good fitting casing is fixed for the 10.1 inch, but if you don't want a 10.1 inch, you can add on the converter frame. So this one the black color frame. This is 10.1 inch to 9 inch converter frame, so you can fix in 9 inch, get a smaller screen, 9 inch big screen. Okay, 8-core processor, octa-core, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage, HD camera input, connect HD reverse camera, back to normal. Okay, Seri T90. Okay, 8-core processor, 2GB RAM, 4G SIM card slot. It's got a 4G SIM slot and a 4G antenna, GPS antenna. Screen resolution 1280x720. Full lamination screen. Full lamination screen, QLED screen, convex. Okay, full menu. YouTube, Waze, Google Maps, Spotify, all can download from the Play Store. Log in a Gmail to download app. A T-Link for CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Device name, you can change your device name and a PIN password. Search for pairing. After pairing, you can click for the music icon. Music icon for Bluetooth music. Share your phone music to car player, to car audio output. If you want to use a CarPlay and Android Auto function, before that you have to pairing a Bluetooth. DSP equalizer, a preset channel. This is a touchscreen multi-control DSP. You can adjust anywhere. Okay, if you want to reset it, just click for default. Time alignment. Okay, go to setting. Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi. Connect a Wi-Fi home Wi-Fi or your phone hotspot. Connect for internet. Or you can insert a 4G SIM card. External. It's got a 4G SIM slot. Insert a 4G data SIM card. Direct can online. A 2 USB extension, USB slot. One connect for the pen drive. Another one is connect to the driving video recorder, the DVR. A front full HD 1080p Full HD DVR. Got a SD card slot support up to 32GB micro SD. Okay, display. Change your background. General sleep time. You can select for the sleep time. This is standby mode. Okay, if you choose for the no sleep, That means every you shut down of your engine, player will shut down. Okay, you can set for the 2-hour sleep or 1-day sleep. Video output on off. Reverse. Okay, reverse line on off. And a reverse set system selection AHD or NTSC. If you change aftermarket AHD camera, you have to set for the AHD. If you connect original reverse camera, you have to choose NTSC or PAL. Okay, factory. The password is 123456. Okay, if your car model is high spec model, you have to select model for the CAN bus. But Perodua Myvi is no need CAN bus. Let's skip this one. Panel key. Logo setting, you can change your boot logo. And a touch key control. Front camera channel. This got a auto front camera function, so you can select your front camera. After install your front camera, the RCA you have to connect to the aux video input, then you select it. Auto front camera function, Aston forward view. You can set for the 10 second, 15 second or 20 second. That means after you reverse, when you turn to parking or turn to N or turn to D, we'll switch for the front camera 10 second or 15 second. You can select it. About this player, TS18 octa core, Cortex TMA55 1.6 GHz. Sound processor is 7604. The radio module is 7708, Bluetooth 5.0. Okay, this player is CV-T90, 2GB RAM, 32GB storage. Screen resolution is 1280720. Android version 11. Okay. So this is Convex 2023 version. Okay, CV-T90, 9-inch QLED Android GPS big screen player. HD camera. Installed by One Piece, video by Andy. Our shop location in Kawasan Perindustrian Balakong, Seri, Kembangan. Opposite Balakong Taming Jaya Petronas. Thank you.